Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to analyze your TikTok analytics for growth in 2026. So if you want more views, more followers and more viral videos, understanding your analytics is the key. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to either come here on tiktok.com or you can also follow the same steps using your TikTok mobile application. You will have to first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Then click on the option of your profile icon. Then click on the option of settings. Now, once you are inside the settings of your TikTok account, you are going to see the option of analytics where you will see these three tabs. We have overview, audience and video. So we will go through each one of these tabs one by one. Now, if you are not able to see the analytics option in your settings, it simply means that you are using a personal account. So you will have to first of all convert your personal account to the business or the creator account in order to access all of these options. Now here in the overview tab, we have the options of video view. So it is going to show you how many viewers are growing, whether these are growing or dripping. Then we have the reach attention, which simply means the new followers come from the specific videos. Then we have the profile views, which means more views is equal to more curiosity about your content. So if views jump on a certain day, you can look at which video caused it and then you can repeat that particular style. Then here in the content tab, you are going to see all of the videos, their watch time, the audience retention and the saves and the shares. So with the help of this thing, you can just simply choose that particular video that has high retention plus high shares, and then you can just start creating or recreating that type of video to gain more followers. Here, when you go to the audience tab, you are going to see your followers tab, which is basically going to show you all of the region relating to your followers, and then it is going to show you the most active time of your followers. Their interests are also going to be shown over here in this section. So you can align with your audience and it is going to be the key for faster growth here on TikTok. So you can use these particular tabs in order to analyze the TikTok analytics for growth in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.